That's riding that knows the route. If not, then you can just follow me, and then we'll just go ahead and have the bites and then more across the turkey. But the first stop is going to be probably a mile and a half from here, or less. It's our Pico, and once I find out the total amount of turkeys that we have, then I'll know, where to cut down, because there were 3 charities and asked for 100 apiece, and that's not happening. So I'm going to do all the smaller ones, like 7 turkeys, 20 turkeys, 30 turkeys. Calexico's getting